Hi, Chris again, Boatshed, North Wales. On deck now on the first 25. Again, apologies for the wind noise, but can't do much about it. Just a quick tour of the deck. Everything looks like it's where it should be. There's significant damage that I could see. She looks to be well equipped. She doesn't look to have been messed around with at all, which looks nice. Nice big cockpit. Engine goes into, it's an inboard outboard, goes into the well there, so it's out the way. All in all, nice tidy boat. For more information, please go to boatshednorthwales.com. Thanks for looking.